Hi guys, and today I want to show you one very good trick. I have previous report in Ctrl X, but I need to change deviation range. I need to make minor changes. I need to make best fit alignment. And I should change deviation range. As you see, I have maximal, minimal, it's 10 thousandths, yeah, correct, 10 thousandths, and I have 1,000 allowable deviation, but I need to change. I should make it wider. Okay, choose each of compare options and press here on deviation bar, and you can manually change each numbers by yourself. And you do not need to enter in every option, like 2D compare 1, 2D compare 2. You can change everything very fast. As you see, change it, change it, change it. Let's check last, and everything change it automatically. If you have, as you see, I have 20 here, but probably you will have hundreds of option for deviation labels or color maps or CMP, 2D compare, 3D compare, analyzing, and it's like became very long process when you press each option, edit feature, and next you will set up your deviations. But you have another solution. I hope it's useful for you. Thank you for watching, and goodbye. See you later.